Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Essie, also known as Essie Defined. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey girlfriend. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my January Ipsy box. Please do not kill me in the comments. I know it is late, but better late than never. Before we get into this unboxing, make sure you click that subscribe button, bang that notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. And now, let's get into this video. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you know that I have been a part of the Ipsy family for a few months now. And so I decided what better way to start off 2021 than to unbox my Glam Bag and my Glam Bag Plus. Now, a few things about Ipsy if you don't already know. Ipsy is a monthly subscription. Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. Basically what you'll do is if you wanted to get an Ipsy box sent to you, you would go to ipsy.com. They would start you out on a beauty quiz, and that beauty quiz is basically going to let them know what to put in your box for that month. Receive a box every month depending on which bag you decide to get. So there's two options. There's a Glam Bag and a Glam Bag Plus. Kind of read off their site just because I don't want to get any of the facts wrong. Glam Bag is a $50 plus value, and when I show you what's in the Glam Bag, you're going to be like, oh, I understand. And that bag is only $12 a month. For the Glam Bag Plus, the products in that bag are more full size. That bag is valued at $120 or more, and that is a $25 a month subscription. And bag is available in US, including territories, PO boxes, APOs, DPOs, FPOs. So the military. My military babes are on here watching this. The Glam Bag is available to you, and that's the $12 a month bag. I've been with the Ipsy family, like I said, for a few months now, and I've been thoroughly enjoying my subscription with them. Well, not my subscription, I'm a part of their family, but I actually was subscribed to Ipsy long time ago. I'm maybe 4 years ago when the bags were like $10, and I still have all my old bags. I don't even know what to do with them, and I don't feel right throwing them away. If you're out there and you're an Ipsy member, then you know how I feel. Just full circle moment, I'm now part of the Ipsy family, and I've been enjoying my boxes. And so let me quit rambling and get into what's in this box. This month's theme was Dream, which I thought was absolutely perfect to start off the year, because we all know 2021, January, new year, new me. We all have our visions for the year. We all have our dreams for the year. So I thought it was genius marketing theme for January. And so they put in this little card, and it says, new month, new year, the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bow lift there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. Let me just get into this bag. So when I first initially opened my box, and I've already used this by the way, they added in this Dream It planner. I'm not going to open it because I have like my notes in here. It's basically, well, I can open it to some other pages, but basically it's just a planner, a blank planner for me to like map out like my week. And then there was also this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how hype I was about my Ipsy drinkware. I thought this was really cute. It's just a nice ceramic water bottle, and it says Ipsy. Can you guys see that? Make sure I'm looking at my monitor so you guys can actually catch like the vibes here, right? Came with a pen for me to write in my planner. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the Glam Bag. Now remember, this bag is your $12 bag with $50 plus value, okay? So it came in this cute, clear bag that says Dream all over it. Little TSA bag, airport travel friendly. And I have in here 4 products. I feel like I'm missing something. I might have threw something into my Glam Bag Plus. I have here a Youth to the People kombucha toner. We have the Cover Effects Veil, and I'm actually going to try to do a full demo using as many of the products as I possibly can. I'm just running through the bag items really quick. A Stila All Day Liquid Eyeshadow. See if that picks that up. I don't know how to say this, but I think it's Biro, and this is their moisturizer, Salmon Cream Moisturizer. Those are the items that came in my Glam Bag. Show you what came in the Glam Bag Plus. Actually, I lied. What was the other item that came in the Glam Bag? The Naked Papaya Cleanser. Now for the Glam Bag Plus. So the Glam Bag Plus, I got a hydrating hair balm. Okay, oh my god, you guys. It smells so good. Then we have Pure Less or Pure Less. I really need to learn the words of these products, but it's their balancing moisturizer. So we received that. A brush by LaRousse. I believe maybe my first month with Ipsy, I got a whole brush set from this same brand. So I'm excited to be able to add another brush to the family. I have a Florence Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. Last but not least, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara. I am going to attempt to use all of the products that came in the Ipsy bag. So we're gonna silently do this. I may chime in here or there, but I need to focus so that I can use everything. So 1 second. So this actually smelled really amazing. Next up is going to be the Florence Mills Peel Off Mask. And there you go. So I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. I think it's time. Let's see. Saying things we don't mean, you know I don't like it. When you're packing your back and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. This is supposed to like lift and clean. So it says it helps to reset the skin after a tiring week. Purifying charcoal draws out dirt oil, while witch hazel and lavender oil keeps skin cute and happy. I will say that my skin does feel pretty happy. It feels very clean. Very clean, as you can see in the little sheet. We are going to go ahead and use the Youth to the People toner. I think the cotton balls will work just fine. Woo! Stings just a little bit. I'm telling you, my skin feels really, I don't want to say raw because I feel like raw implies that thing negative. I don't want to say it feels raw, but I just feel like the mask really just opened up everything. And so now we're going to tone so we can, close our pores. And so far, so good. Feels pretty good. Smell is mild, not too strong. I'm gonna go ahead and use the, is it Biro E Salmon Cream. I did reach out to the brand themselves just to kind of get a little bit of info, and it's supposed to be really good for mature skin. So we're excited about that, right? We are in our 30s, baby. We're not getting any younger. Nice mild scent, nothing too strong. It does say apply to face and neck. Do not forget the neck. Ooh, I like that. It absorbed into the skin really nicely. Into our Pure Less Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. This hydrates and balances, prevents fine lines, and preps skin makeup. And it's for oily, combination, normal, and even sensitive skin. Let's just say this is going to be our primer. I go in with the Cover Effect Shimmer Veil in Celestial. It says I can use this across the lid and like the high points of my face. Place this here and then I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place and Vanessa Collab palette and add Stush and Aquia to my cheeks for blush. Yes, very cute. Such a perfect combo for blush. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara for lash line and to blend in my lashes. Alright, so now I have the Stila. This is actually a liquid lipstick. It's not a liquid eyeshadow. I don't know. I did not read the package. I'm so shade Patina. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. This is a brunch nude. This is a brunch nude pink. This is definitely, ooh. Okay, let me stop. Actually, the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm, you can put it in your hair wet or dry. And I'm gonna pop a few curls into my hair. This is what the formula looks like. So we're just going to take a little bit here because my hair does stand up, you know, the flyaways and stuff. So let's put a little bit. Child, my wigs is about to be laid, child. Wigs are about to be, oh, look what it did, guys. Look how much control it has on my hair. And it doesn't feel like it weighed my hair down. You know how you put product in your hair and it feels like, oh my God, your hair is weighed down? Let's see what we're working with. Let me clean. Definitely feeling ready for brunch. Where is my pearls? Seriously. It's a little more hair balm. I like this formula. This is definitely good for my body wave sisters, okay? That like tousled but non-frizzy look. I definitely think this is bae. You know, look at that. Look how, oh man, look at the sheen and the, oh, it just brought so much polish to my hair. Oh my God. We are done, guys. What do you guys think? So here is the final look. What do you guys think? I am so in love. This is definitely giving me brunch. Okay, this is definitely, I would wear this eye look and everything. This is definitely brunch. This is so just gorgeous. I love it. Thank you guys again so much, Ipsy, for inviting me into the family. And for those of you out there, I love you guys so much. If you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, bang that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you would like to see me do an unboxing with Ipsy every month, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay? Bye.